RRI. Halo RRI. Halo RRI.
Halo RRI, hadir setiap Senin dan Jumat dari pukul 9 sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 399 9790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI, hadir setiap Senin dan Jumat dari pukul 9 sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 399 9790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI.
Listen us to know the world more.
Yes, what we have said before teman berdua, we talk about the uniqueness of Bengkala village, yeah. What's make it unique or different from another village in Buleleng or in Bali is because the community or the villagers in that village are deaf, yeah, Novita, yeah.
Yeah,
And
that's right.
also how they communicate each other between the normal villagers and also the deaf villager there is using a sign language that called katakolok, yeah. And then beside that's the uniqueness of that village make Bengkala is an increasingly popular as tourist destination nowadays, and some of them also not only visit to know how the villagers there in daily life, but also doing some research and experiment, something like that, from people or foreigners, yeah, or tourists who come to Bengkala village. But actually, teman Pro 2, there are also the story behind or the legend of this village actually, and it will be told by Novita.
Okay. The local legend is a famous story that a pair of witches with a magic power fought a battle over the village, and during the fight, they cursed each other and made themselves deaf. Nah, this is the turn when they pass on their deafness to their children, and this continue to the handed out in varying degrees ever since. So of course today we know that the local deafness which doesn't affect all or even the majority of villager is caused by geographically centric receive rather than a curse, yeah. So this has led to the village becoming a very important place for the deaf studies, particularly as nearly everyone, whether they are deaf or not in this village, speech sign language.
Yes, that's true. And what's called a magic is that when in one family at Novita and also teman Pro 2, even though, for example, the parents are deaf, but the children, they can born a normal child, something like that. And also the opposite, or vice versa, when the parents are normal, they can born deaf children or child, something like that. That's still in experiment it's kind of experiment for some researchers to answer this phenomena. It's really interesting, to find out the answer why this happened. And also the other things that also popular from Bengkale village is Janger Kolo. Have you ever heard, Novita, about Janger Kolo?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, this is a kind of one art performance, Balinese art performance, where in Janger generally, Janger dance, it's the there are several dancers in Janger, dan Janger dance in normally, they will sing while dancing, something like that, But in Bengkale village, it's different from the Janger dance itself, where the dancer in Janger Kolo is they use or produce special sounds
okay.
that they utter, something like that, because usually the deaf is also cannot speak, something like that, the deaf people. So they produce or utter special sounds to while they are dancing, called Janger Kolo. And it's become an expensive art performance nowadays. It's not easy to find their performance. That actually happens in special festival or religion ceremony in Bengkale village. Interesting. What other uniqueness of Bengkale village? We will know later, teman berdua, and also Novita. We still have many informations to share with you, teman berdua. So keep with us in English Corner. Listen us to know the word more.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI.
Halo RRI hadir setiap Senin dan Jumat dari pukul 9 sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Sampai dengan pukul 10 pagi.
Anda bisa sampaikan semua keluhan, masalah, atau informasi melalui line telepon 0362 24644 atau WhatsApp 0811 3999790 dan media sosial RRI Singaraja.
Suarakan masalah Anda dan temukan solusinya bersama Halo RRI.
With Novita and Tris, Mallory in English Corner.
Listeners to know the word more.
Yeah, we still have some information about Bengkala village that makes the village is really unique, yeah. And what else beside the community or villagers that what's that? Mostly or some of them also have generation of deaf
Village here is this village is a welcoming place and where the deaf and hearing community live alongside each other happily. Yeah, and the deaf talk with other deaf people using a local sign language known as Katakolo, but this is only used in 2 villages in Bali, actually. And even deaf tourists will find it hard to follow at first. But the village residents have seen high rates of the deafness for over 7 generations. But their unique Indonesian Sign Language didn't develop until about the 5 generation past, and it is used in every aspect in daily life of the village life now, and it is include to the political, religious, educational, and professional life actually. And this is the signing space used by deaf villager is very different from many other form of sign language actually. And then when you are signing Katakolo, you will make substantial use by references to cardinal point of the space.
Yeah. So,
And this means by the language used by deaf villagers is quite hard to learn for outsider and to make things more complicated.
Yes.
And linguistically, it has nothing in common with Bahasa or Balinese either.
Yeah, because Katakolok itself is always that created by their the community there, yeah, as their own sign language in that village. So it might be different from the sign language that used commonly with other deaf community itself, yeah.
And also interestingly,
Mhm.
the local people in Bengkale village share a belief in a single dove god too.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's very interesting. So that's why Novita said that maybe the deaf tourists who come or visitors come there, maybe it's hard to understand the sign language of Katakolok itself. Yeah, that they use in Delhi between the deaf and also hearing community in Bengkale village. And another part of uniqueness of the villagers in in Bengkale village, Novita, is about their occupations or the community there, the villagers become more widely known by the people not only in Indonesia but also in other countries because the uniqueness of the daily life of deaf people in Bengkale village, in which especially for men, they have their own what's called jobs, the occupations that familiar with deaf community there. One of them is the digger grave. So that's why some of bloggers and then film crews and then photographer also travel to Bengkale to film and photograph the people digging grave, and then also dancers, and then also their repairing of water pipes in surrounding areas, and also like a security during village festival because of their reputed strength and fearlessness. And that's for men. Actually, in in Bengkale village, and some others also can be found as butchering of animals, catching also, and carrying wadah. You know wadah, teman Pruda or Novita? Wadah is the place that we use for Balinese. Is known when or used when in
people
in Ngaben ceremony in Bali, for cremation ceremony in Bali. So they are higher for carrying the wadah itself, a tall pyramidal wooden structure full of ornament decorations, the place for cremations, as what Novita said before. That's very unique actually, that maybe in our common community, Novita, the digging or digger's grave is usually done by our close family, isn't it? But it different from Bengkale village, mostly, especially the men of the deaf community there is occupied or has occupation as diggers' graves. That makes really interesting. Maybe not all people is that brave to do that work. It's kind of horror for me, but I don't know for them. Okay, and also not only the area of the village actually become an interesting place to visit, but also we have some places near Bengkale village that also famous to visit, so that when you maybe have a plan to visit this village, you may also have another plan also to visit another places near Bengkale village that also very interesting to visit. This is what's that? Tourism area also, and historical places also are there. Yeah, what's that? We will talk later after this song.
Dan solusinya bersama Halo RRI. Senin dan Jumat dari pukul 9.
Teman Pro 2, and this is our last session in English Corner. Yeah, we will tell you about what things to do near Bengkalo village. Yeah, there are some interesting things to do in the local area, including
beside we have Kolok, Kolok village. Yeah, Bengkalo village has many of tourism destination or tourism object, like Kerobokan Singaraja Beach, and it's a very simple black sand beach with a calm water where even children can play or swim there. There are some nice warung, on the shore too, the seashore too.
Seafood, yes, especially warung for seafoods. And also there are not only Kerobokan Beach but also Girimas Beach, also near Bengkalo village. Yeah, it's also a wonderful local beach which is often used by divers during the day. At night, the local food stall also are set up on the sand, and you can find a seat and enjoy some fresh catch of the day also there. Girimas or Kerobokan Beach. And then after that,
Bengkalo village has a temple, like a Beji temple, one of the most stunning and visually interesting temple complexes in the northern Bali, and also Pura Dalam Jagaraga.
And also, this is also the famous place that can you visit when you go to North Bali, especially Singaraja. Not only visit Bengkalo village but also Gedung Kertium Museum.
And also Bengkalo village have a new tourism object, like no tourism object, but this is called Intaran Market or Pasar Intaran. Yes, this is the new one of you can the places that you can
visit
go there.
While spending time in Bengkalo village. This is also the traditional market. It's really totally different with another market. Even though there are some traditional market in Singaraja or Bendleleng,
and only open in Sunday. On Sunday.
And also the
Sunday
payment
morning.
is different, and then the foods, what are they sell there also different. So if you curious about that, you may visit that place. Okay, teman Pro 2, because the time is up, it's me. We have to end our English Corner for this week, but don't worry, because next week we will have another topic to be discussed and also shared to you in English Corner.
Listen us to know the world more.
So this is time for me, Tris, and
Novita.
say goodbye to you. Good afternoon, and also have a nice weekend. And bye-bye.
Bye.